4 beta. It says in linear regression, ln yi is equal to b1 plus b2 xi plus ui, the measure of goodness of fit R square was estimated as 0.70. The p-value was 0.578 for slope coefficient. Right? It says the coefficient is statistically significant since X explains 70% of variation in Y. Since X explains 70% of the variation in Y. Now try to understand this thing. See, significance is tested by p-value. We say, so what will we do? We say, beta, that my null hypothesis is that this beta 2 is 0 and my alternative hypothesis is that beta 2 is not equal to 0, right? Now to test the significance, we compare p-value with the alpha value. And if my p-value is less than equal to the alpha value, only then we say that it is significant statistically. Only then we say that it is significant statistically. Is this making sense? Okay. Now just try to think about this case. Your alpha, if it is 5%, then then your p is 0.5 something, not 0.05 beta, 0.578. This is clearly greater. Even if you take alpha at 1%, definitely 0.578 is greater. Even if you take alpha at 10%, then also 0.578 is greater. So till 10%, 20%, 30%, we are able to not reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is very high. So we are not able to reject null in favor of alternative. So we are comparing this value of beta naught with the, we are comparing this null with alternative, and it has got nothing to do with R square value, right? So P is compared with alpha level, and इसमें ये R square का कोई relation नहीं है. Are you understanding it? It is saying P value of the slope coefficient. मतलब हमें beta का ही P value given है. We are given the P value of this beta 2. Right? We are given the P value of this beta 2. Are you getting it? Right? And that's very high. So it is not statistically significant. Okay. So, okay, the statement is false, beta.